أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه أستعين في جميع الأمور رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Blessed Friday greetings and iltimasu dua to global Muslims residing in holy cities of Makkah Muazzama, Al-Madinatul Munawwara, Karbala Mu'alla, Najaful Ashraf, Baitul Maqdis, to do special dua in Salatul Jumu'ah on my behalf. My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I am the inventor of Pure Gold Coin, Wheel of Life Farm School, and leading the project of building Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School health centers in global universities to combat COVID-19 and enable all families of our planet to enjoy total quality inflation-free life in our 110 home self-sustaining communities, which we are building in global cities, farms, and gold mines of our planet. Everyone can participate in this project by acquiring annual membership of 10 pure gold coin. One pure gold coin is equivalent to $2 Canadian. And everyone can then will be acquiring also the membership of Victory Gardens, and that will enable all mothers to grow their own food ingredients in their home, provide immunity boosting meals to their family, and earn an extra income with excess ingredients they are growing in their homes. So that is our model of very simply enabling 2 billion mothers of our planet to enjoy economic vibrancy. Everyone can, join, all STEM graduates basically, can join our 5300 PGC Global Executive MBA program. We will be linking them with global SMEs of our planet so that in 53 months, the businesses can be enhanced to 1 million PGC business via utilization of collective wisdom and experience of our global team. So welcome aboard to Sam's TQLMA Club. And the good news is this, that Lady Celia from Brazil and Lady Winfred from Kenya is working together to enroll 2 billion mothers into our Sam's TQLMA Club and to transform them into social entrepreneurs so they can lead our Wheel of Life Farm School health centers, which we are building in global university campuses. So everyone can join, everyone can sponsor their mother to become a Gemba professional and learn climate smart technologies from our inventor, Dr. Paul Olivier, Mr. Ken Telford, and myself, so we will be teaching them climate smart technologies so they can really lead these Wheel of Life Farm schools and delight the global residents of our planet. Welcome aboard to Sam's TQLMA Club. Pass on this message to everyone in your network in all languages of our world so everyone can understand. And we move forward with agility to execute our plan. Thank you very much. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim. Warham wa tarham kama sallaita wa sallamta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka Hamidum Majid. व आखिर दावाहुम अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।